This video will teach you in details how to make the black soap for glowing black, brown, caramel chocolate skin. This is a detailed tutorial that will teach you step by step how to make black soap at home for your glowing skin, and it's also perfect for your children. I will walk you through the list of ingredients, and these are simple and basic ingredients that you can easily find. Like I said, this soap is perfect for children's skin as well. It is tender and soft on them and brings out the glow and brightness in their skin. You would need shea butter, you would need lemon juice, you would need honey, you would need some coconut oil. You would also need some lemon and carrot oil, which I'm going to show you how to make in this video. The major ingredient for this soap is the black soap. Ensure you get good and high quality black soap from your local market or any vendor that sells it. We'll start by making our own carrot and lemon infused oil, and this oil is so essential for the entire soap. Add some neutral oil into a pot. Go in with the peels of 1 lemon, and then you go in with 1 cup of grated carrots. You already know the benefits of carrots and of course lemon to your skin. They help to improve your brightness, they help with discoloration, and it is so good when you infuse it into oils like this. Now you want to allow the lemon peels and the carrot to steep in the oil on low heat for at least 30 minutes to 45 minutes. After which you can take it out, leave it overnight if you have the patience, or you can strain it immediately and use for your soap production. After 35 minutes or 40 minutes, this is what you're going to have: a properly infused lemon and carrot oil that is perfect for your skincare. You can also use this as your body oil if you do not want to infuse it into a soap. Scoop it out, strain it, and you have a perfect body oil. For the soap, we're going to combine all of the ingredients I listed earlier: your quality black soap, and then you're going to add in your shea butter. I'm going to leave the measurements of each ingredient in the description box, so do check that out. Go in with your honey as well. Add in your lemon juice, add in your carrots, and of course lemon oil. Go in with your coconut oil, and then you're just going to mix all of these ingredients till it is well combined. You can use a masher, you can use any tool that you have. I'm using a potato masher to just completely mix all of these ingredients till they become one family. You want to keep mixing for at least 2 to 3 minutes till everything is properly combined and it looks like one mixture and nothing is looking out of the mixture. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, do well to hit the subscribe button and be a part of this family. Be also sure to leave a like and comment on this post, as they go a long way in encouraging me. Once you have your mixture combined like this, you've made the perfect glowing black soap for brown, chocolate, caramel skin. Trust me when I say that this soap is going to bring out this glow in your skin. Dead cells are going to be gone, and I love it so much because it is perfect for my children. I have been using it for them since they were babies, and I mean, I have a 10-year-old, and when you see my children, you can tell that their skin is glowing. If you learned a thing or two, do well to subscribe, follow me for more, and thank you guys for watching. Bye. Once you have your mixture combined like this, you've made the perfect glowing